Though it's so delightful that an Earthling band is gonna perform a song on Mars, and I cannot wait to hear it.
Same here, Marvin. And we were looking forward to listen to Pastel Palette's song.
Yeah.
Well, this is going to be super duper exciting.
Hey, we're here, so is everyone ready to hear our best song ever?
Yes, please. I've been looking forward to hear you play your song on Mars.
Well then, what are we waiting for? Let's get on stage and rock out in outer space.
Oh boy, this is so exciting to see an Earthling band play their best song ever.
Well, that wasn't supposed to happen, right guys?
Sorry everyone, let's try that again from the
Zoinks! There it is again, Ia. I think that you have a very bad case of the hiccups.
Wait, what? I got the hiccups. Oh no, now we cannot perform our song when I have the hiccups.
Oh dear. This is not only a huge problem, it is a super huge intergalactic catastrophe.
It's more than just a slip-up or a mess-up or a mishap. A threat, just a catastrophe. We need to fix it faster-fee. And put it in the apostrophe. This simply cannot last-trophy. A threat, just a catastrophe. The problem is so vastrophy. We're really flabbergastrophe. Let's ding the bell for blastrophe. Catastrophe, catastrophe. What a catastrophe. Catastrophe, catastrophe. It's a catastrophe, catastrophe, catastrophe. What's an apostrophe? It's a catastrophe. What a disaster. It's a catastrophe.
Oh, Earthling, we cannot hear your band's song when you have a bad case of the hiccups. I am very sad and disappointed.
Same here, Marvin. I wish there was some way we can cure Aria's hiccups.
Don't worry, everyone. We'll try some ways to cure her hiccups as soon as possible with some teamwork. You see? Whenever I get the hiccups, I stand upside down on my head, and that works for me.
That's an excellent idea, Earthling. Maybe that can cure AY's hiccups in no time. Or maybe not.
Are you sure drinking some water will cure my hiccups, Tomo?
Oh, of course it will, Aria. This works for me whenever my sister Echo gets the hiccups.
Well then, if you say so, Tomo.
Well, did it work, Tomoe?
Nope. She still has the hiccups. There has got to be another way to cure Aria's hiccups so that way she and her band would perform a song for all of us on Mars. But how?
Don't worry guys, I have an idea. Maybe we could scare Ia's hiccups away. Meet me at the dark forest.
Oh, what's the use? I am never gonna perform my band's song when I have the hiccups. It's hopeless. Huh, what the heck is going on? If there's any monsters out there, please don't give me nightmares. And also, where is this scary music coming from? Who just said that?
It's okay, Aria. Just take some deep breaths. At least your hiccups are gone, right?
Nope, it didn't work.
Well, this is extremely awful. Now that I have the hiccups, I'll never perform our band's song for all of my friends.
No, Earthling. We're sorry we couldn't help you get rid of your hiccups. This is very disappointing.
Oh shush you nincompoops. What is all of the complaining about?
Well, Mr. Rude, I've got the hiccups, and my friends tried everything to get rid of my hiccups. It just doesn't work.
Yeah, and even scaring away her hiccups away didn't work at all.
Well, all of your plans to get rid of as hiccups are too cliché. Lucky for you, I've got a plan to get rid of her hiccups forever.
Mr. Rude!
Dang it, Mr. Rude. You are so gross.
Hey Arian, I think your hiccups are finally gone.
Wait, they are.
Well, my work here is finished.
Thank you so much everyone. Now that my hiccups are finally gone, me and my band are able to perform a song for all of you.
You're welcome, Earthling, and it's all it takes is some teamwork to help you. And now, you and your band are able to perform a song for all of us.
Now, let's get back to our show and rock out on Mars in outer space.
That was such an awesome intergalactic soul pastel palette. This makes my heart go kyun kyun.
Well, we're glad that you liked our song, and we appreciate all of the support you. Is there something the matter, everyone?
Oh dear. I think you also might have the hiccups to Earthling.
Wait, what?